She decided Grandpa's refrigerator needed to be organizing, and I decided she was right. Where you going? You got to put the stuff back. You got to put it back. Yeah, you got to put it back in the door. Good job. There you go. Put it back in there for Grandpa. Yeah, that's syrup. Yep. Good job. Yeah, that's a good spot for it. Good job. Thank you. Yep. Grandpa's chocolate. Yes. Grandpa's other chocolate. Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Better spot than where it was. I totally agree. They match. Yes, they do. I should have taken a video of the way it would look beforehand, because it's already looking better. My little mini dove. Look at my little organizer. It's so cute. Here, baby. Here, baby. We have more of these. You wanna? Here, you want to? We have more of those. You want to put them together if you want. Yeah. That way you can organize. Hold on a second. What is that? The mail lady. Hello.
Is this for Hayden?
Oh, she's not here. She don't live here.
She doesn't live here.
No.
Anymore?
Is that probably for the storage unit? I can sign for her.
Okay.
Okay, 1 second.
Okay.
Hold. Go back to videoing. Look at them organizational skills. Good job, baby. Yeah, okay, well, this is, okay, so Grandpa thinks we should put them like this. What do you think? We should go over here and put all the chocolate milks right here. Like this, see? Chocolate milk. Yes, you can, yes. See, and then take this chocolate milk and put it with this one. See? Yeah, that works. Yes. Good job. Good job. Here, I will help you and I will move your pudding. There we go. Put your milk in there with your, there you go. Oh, I like it. Oh, almost done. We got 2 more to put in. 1 more chocolate. Goes right here. Goes right here, baby. Yep, it goes right there. Look at that. You're so smart. Oh, yep, you got to turn it so it looks perfect. Yep, good job. Look at you. This one goes anywhere you want to put it. Good job, you put everything back. Good job. You can take that one and play with it if you want. Okay. You're going to take the syrup instead? Which one tastes better? Okay. We're going to close this and that's what you're taking. Okay. Good job. Good work. All right. I'm going to say cut. Can we say cut?